This is a formal analysis of The Banquet of the Rich by José Clemente Orozco. This piece was made during the Mexican muralism movement. Orozco had his claim to fame as one of the Los Tres Grandes, along with Diego Rivera and David Alfaro Siqueiros. This mural was painted in the three-story courtyard of the National Preparatory High School. Furthermore, it was commissioned by the post-revolutionary government. This piece has a clear meaning of how the rich will abuse and take advantage of the working class. I will now go into how Orozco used the elements and principles of design to create this piece and develop these ideas. First of all, this mural shows the rich people at the table with the silly cartoonish characteristics, which contributes to the main meaning. Orozco depicts the rich as not having a care in the world. They sit at the table laughing, eating, and drinking, having a great time. Meanwhile, the working class struggle beneath them. They work extremely hard while the rich do nothing. The artist uses the line of the table to divide the two groups. He also made the top of the mural where the rich people were slightly more colorful. This is symbolic because Orozco is saying the finer things in life are at the top where the rich are. Overall, it is just darker at the bottom where the middle class is. The values are also just less bright and lack color below the rich. There isn't really much texture besides the clothes obviously being of higher quality on top. I do think there is unity because each group is together, but variety because it isn't all the same. Directional forces are used when you see the rich man pointing to a poor man, shoving another poor man out of his way, in hopes of getting on top. The rich man just laughs because he knows he will never be able to get on top. This was symbolic because it shows how poor people will go against each other, but not against the rich man himself, and how the rich will point and laugh all the while pitting the poor against each other. Furthermore, I think all the people were pretty proportional, besides the rich people being fatter, which displayed their wealth. There is balance between the two groups because it is split down the middle instead of all over the place. Again, this had symbolic meaning. Orozco made this very politically symbolic piece to get his own opinion of the gap between the elites and working class out to the people. Thank you for listening, and please continue to the next video.